All right, I'm going to show you guys how to do curved text in Canva. So I've got my blank template here. I'm going to show you a quick trick. If you got Canva Pro, you can bring in a previous design that you have made into a new template. So I'm going to go into my folders and I organize everything. So I'm going to go to my Creative Bodega folder, and this is a holiday template, a group of 9 templates I made. So let's pop into this one. So this is a template I made for Canva, and you can see this text is curved. This is a new feature from Canva, which is pretty awesome. So the first thing you're going to do, let's just kind of make a copy of this and get rid of that and kind of start over. I'm going to hit T on my keyboard, and that's going to pop in a text box for me, which is a great little shortcut. I'm going to change this to be, I remember it was Buffalo. We're going to get that to be Buffalo. It's all in capitals, which I don't want. So I'm actually going to go to these 3 dots at the top, and there's this small a, uppercase A. I'm going to hit that once, and it's going to go back down to lowercase, which is what I was looking for. I'm going to make it larger. We're going to go to 30, maybe even more, maybe 40. And then I'm going to move the text closer together, or the letters closer together. So I'm going to click on this right here, and you can see this little purple space. It's spaced 230 apart. So I'm going to bring that down. I actually want these pretty much touching like that, so more like cursive. And then I'm going to let that go. So the last thing I'm going to do is Mary, I think it said little everything with an exclamation point. Now I've got my text highlighted. I'm going to go to effects at the top, and now there is this cool curve option. So it automatically curved it pretty much in a circle. I don't want it that curved. So I'm going to bring this back and do something more like that. And then I'm going to center it and see how those vertical pink lines line up with the XX below. It snaps it into place for me so it's centered. And that's how you do it. So if you wanted to go the other way, you can go this way. You can have it be straight, or you can go back. I wanted it something like that. So that's how you do curved text. Pretty cool feature. Let me know what you think. Give it a shot.